I'll guide you through how to build a landing page with Card. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀 and sign up with your email or log in if you already have an account. Once inside the dashboard, click Choose a Starting Point. You'll see a variety of templates available. Pick one that matches your business style or company profile. Then you can click Select to open it in the editor. On the left panel, you'll find all your main controls. Here, you can update text, add your company name, tagline, or short introduction. To adjust images, click on any placeholder and replace it with your logo or a relevant photo. Next, go to Sections. Add a service section by clicking the plus button. Then use clear titles and short descriptions for each service your company offers. You can also add buttons linking to more details or contact forms. For contact information, now you can add a dedicated section with your email, phone, or social media links. Once you're done, click Publish, choose a free subdomain, and your landing page is live.